Got a busted Senton. We're going to get the suspension fixed, replace the drive shaft, and we're going to keep those stones out so they don't eat the new one. Let's get to it. Busted this guy. Okay, so this got busted from a rock sitting there, so this guy. Fixed. We've got this guy to deal with. AR320399. This is the front. Now the problem is, your front piece is all one piece. And so this clearly, although it's got good internals in it, it's not strong enough. So we also have just a generic strengthening piece that sits like that. Clearly it's designed to give more, but we just want to use the original position. We don't need them, we just need the original spot. But this is to give strength. So this will stop that from snapping as easily. Because I was doing this on the skate park. So having this here will help. So we're just going to put the shock into that first piece. We don't need to worry about that. Just there. Still, I think this is going to be stronger because of that aluminium front. Nice. So there we are, ready to bash. And this time the rocks will be kept out, it can breathe, sweet. And now the Senton can get back to Sentoning. Oh man, that was nasty. But at least this time, shock towers haven't broken. That was nasty. That was full beans, but the bumper did its job. It compresses right in there. Everything seems okay, which is excellent.
wheels landing. I think we can call that fixed. Shock tower's intact and happy. Chassis still straight-ish. We've had some big impacts, but she looks pretty happy. The only thing I've noticed after a bunch of terrible landings is this wheelie bar has popped out, but otherwise, I mean, we're straight. Everything's good. I'd call that mission successful. Thanks for watching, guys. Throw me a like and I'll catch you next time on RC-TNT.